Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always nimble. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by.
Yo, what's up, boys? How's it going? How's it going? Let's get on into it this morning. Start a little early, but that's all right. Let's start a little early. Let's see, might have had a good buy. Good morning, Coffee Killer. What's up? What's up? Seeing if I missed out on this buy right here. If it closes above this fair value gap, it's a good chance to go up on NQ. Check out gold. Oh yeah, gold broke out of this big old downtrend. Yes, sir. Gotta make the money. Gotta make that dollar. Probably just gonna wait till 3 o'clock here. The London Open at 3 o'clock. No need to rush today. I got all day, no work, so I can trade New York too. Don't want to take a loss for no reason. Bro, Tradeify posted about me on their Twitter. I thought that was pretty cool. Let me see. Tradeify posted me on their Twitter right here. I thought it was pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I think everything's just waiting on the London 3 a.m. open right here in 5 minutes. The YM about to make a little reversal right here. Been watching the YM lately. Thinking about trading it, but I don't know. I don't know. Not today. Not ready yet to trade it today. Still just watching. This is good. Go buy opportunity. When it started to break out of here, downtrend. Started to break out its downtrend, and now it's gonna go into the moon. Goldilocks. Goldilocks. No, I wish I was. The only reason they posted that is because it was showing off their 13-minute payout time. I mean, I'm not complaining. That was sick. Wasn't expecting it, but I just made a little YouTube video on it. So then they posted it. Coming down here. It's 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah, I didn't mind. I think like maybe two people. I also added my code in the what is it? I had my code in the comments section. I think like two people used it. So hey, let's go. Two people might have used my code. So I can't complain there. I'll take it. I'll take it. Uh-oh, coming down here. We got 1 minute until the London Open. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Kind of just ranging here. Kind of just ranging around. Need a break out of somewhere. Let me draw this new trend line on gold here because it is coming on up. Upward line. I guess I need to update this too, maybe. I'll just leave that. Let's see. Oh yeah, coming down here on the NQ. ICTers are getting paid here. Came into this fair value gap and it's turning around, bouncing off of this upward trend line right here. Is it gonna keep on coming down? Is it gonna keep on coming down, or is it gonna turn around and it's gonna turn around and go up? Okay, I'm just gonna wait on it to go back up because it is so far down. It could keep going down, but when it's this far down, I don't like looking for sales. So uh-oh. Oh man. Uh-oh, we coming up here? Goldilocks. YM, what's the YM doing? Oh yeah, looky there. YM, I'm telling you, I'm gonna start playing this, dude. He broke out right here. Would have got in. Would have had some drawdown, but now it's starting to come up. Bang, coming up. Bang. NQ coming up here. Still kind of ranging around though in my eyes. I don't know. Maybe we break out it. Maybe we close above this. I'll take a buy. Maybe I'll take a buy here in a minute. I don't know. I kind of wish it would have. I should have just took it right here. Bang. Kind of missed out, huh? Dang it. Maybe I put a buy right here. Put a buy right there. See if it gets hit. Let's see if we get in this. No, we're not. It's not gonna come get us. Crap, crap, crap. See if it comes and gets us in this. Darn. We'll probably get in this. It'll probably let us in here somewhere. Do have this downward trend line we have to worry about. Hopefully it can break through that. See if we get in here. Oh, it got so close to letting us in there. Now it's just going to turn around. Look at there. So close. Come on, dude. Why are you going to do this like that? Oh, man. Why are you going to do it like that? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. All right, up to this line now. Let's see if we start to break off of it. Come down a little bit. Starting to bounce off of this line right here. Let's see if we come down a little bit. No, starting to break out. Crap, crap, crap. Crap, crap. I should have just got in right there. Oh well. Crap. Dadgummit. Just going. It's just going now. Crappers. Ay, ay, ay. I'll just leave that there, see if it comes back and gets it or not. Look at the YM. Bada bing, bada boom, son. Oh, yeah. I could have this one in the bag, son. Might have to start trading that one. Might have to start trading the YM. God, dog. Had 2 shots to enter this. Didn't take either one. Probably still enter it. I'll just leave it. Because there's a little imbalance right here. Might have to come get this real fast sometime. Whatever. That'll just be my... See if it comes down and lets us in. Holding 2 cons from 431. Fortunately made back my loss from 30 minute before open. Let's go, buddy. Congrats. See if we can get in here. Big old red candle coming down. Big old red candle coming down. Looks like we might get in here. We're in. Make sure we're in on both. Yep, in on that one. In on that one. Oh yeah. Let's just see here if we can keep on grinding up. Come on, son. Bring it up. Bring it up, son. Come on. Bring it up. Bring it up. Oh, come on. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking up here, brother. What are you waiting on? Let's go to the moon. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Let's go. No. No turnarounds needed here. No. Up, 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 up. Let me draw this yellow line right here. Because I'm probably going to get out somewhere around right here. Come on, let's go. Up. Break it to the upside. Let's go. Push. Push it up. Come on, come on, push. Push it up, push it up. Don't come back down, don't come back down. Push it up. Let me see if YM broke these highs. No, has not yet. Come on, push. Oh no. Come on, son. Push it up. You know you want to. You know you want to go up. You just broke out of both of these trend lines here. Now you want to go on up. We might have had the perfect entry. If you don't come back down, we could have a perfect entry. You just go up for us. You just go up for us. I could post this on Instagram. Could post this on Instagram if you just go up. Come on. Break it on up there, buddy. If it starts to break below this blue trend line here, I'm just going to close it. I'm copy trading through Tradeify. Tradeify right here, built-in trade copier. That's what I'm copying through. Might have to close it here if it starts to break below this blue trend line. I'll just have to close it. Let's see. Hopefully it turns around now. Just go up from here now, buddy. Go up from here. Bounce off that support and go. Got a new 5-minute here, so maybe that's gotta do something first before we go up. No, I've got one Apex account, but I'm not trading it right now. I trade that one during New York. Right now I'm trading Tradeify accounts and one profit trade account. I'm trading my 3 Tradeify accounts and one profit trade account. Using my trading template here. Trading template told me to get in right here and has not told me to get out yet. Because I have a 3x multiplier on the 150K accounts. You can set multipliers. Vanity, yeah, Tradeify. All of these I'm trading right now are straight to funding direct accounts. My Apex account that I trade during New York, it's not straight to funding, but of course you know that because Apex is not. All right, let me put in a let's see if it can start using this as support and bounce up here. Because that's really something like that. We can just get this push up right here. We'll be looking good. Yeah, I saw the Apex updated rules. All right, let me just go ahead and we're just gonna hold it. Feel like it's gonna go up. My template hasn't told me to get out yet. We needed to start coming up here. You just, when you're setting up the copier, it'll say multiplier and you can just type in whatever you want. On the 150Ks, I typed in 3. So that's what's that. We got some downward flag right here. So if we can get above that, we'll be looking nice here. If we can get above this bullish flag right here, it'd be looking nice to come up. Break above that, it's basically straight to our target. We just got to get above that. Might want to come down and get this liquidity void. But we'll see. Could have got out at around $500, but didn't get out. Trading template still says to stay in here. See if we can get this push up here and just fly to our target. Just need this push up. Just need this push up here, and then we'll be flying to our targets. Push up out of here and we're flying to the targets. That's a fact. Come on, push it up to our targets. Come on, push it out of there. Yeah, come on. Push it. Push it out of there to our targets. Oh yeah, come on. Let me go set my TPs now. Sell. Sell. Come on, push it up there, buddies. Really struggling, huh? Really struggling to get up there. It's really struggling. Gotta be patient here. London session, you gotta really show your patience. Ay, ay, ay. London session really makes you show your patience. Maybe I should set a, I'm gonna set a, bang. Let me set this right here. All right, we're out of there. How much did we make? 144 and 432. And then 145 right there. I got out of the trade on the break below this candle here. So we're out of there. Cancel this order. Sure, all those are canceled. It's probably gonna go up, and I'm probably gonna look weird. Couldn't show my patience on this trade, but you know, I didn't want it to come back down and lose that profit. So pretty much a perfect trade. Pretty much a perfect trade right there. Let me set this. Where did we get out? Hang on. I'll just go back and see where it was. And then I'll just set my red line. Probably got out somewhere right here. Yeah, I'm trying to get there. I'll make a video. I'll make a video when I get there. We might have had a good exit right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks like we had a good exit here. Look at that. I'm glad I exited. Look at it coming down. I hope you guys exited when I did. It's coming down now. We had us a nice exit on the trade. Exited right there. Starting to come down now, boys. My template was telling me, hey, be cautious. Be cautious right here. And boom. Starting to come down now. Let me take a little screenshot of this, see if I can, I don't know, maybe start journaling or something. Maybe I'll journal, maybe. Let me take a screenshot. Maybe I'll start journaling. Who knows? But I'll take the screenshot. Take another screenshot right here. Dude, that was, I mean, I'm kind of been like in tune with the market lately. It might want to come down and get this little void here before it starts to go back up. That's what I was saying. Might want to come down and get this void right here before it starts to go up. Let's see. Yeah, London sort of tea and crumpets and New York session hit like a teen kegger. Kegger, what is that? New York session punch you right in the mouth if you're not on it. New York session punch you right in the face before you can even look. Take the 5. I already made 1K in this trade. Nice job, Max Trader. Heck yeah, buddy. Josh Jagser called some nice moves on the NQ, up 645 on an eval though. Hey man, congrats. Up anything's awesome, man. It's hard to make money. Trading's about not losing your money. If you're making money, you are doing something right, brother. Shiny Paladin, make a video payout on profit trade when you're eligible. If they pay, will do. I'll do that. Maybe it still wants 418 to 420 area. Take it out, then back to upside. Yeah, we'll see. 418 to 420. Yeah, I got a line there. That's what I was looking at too. Maybe it wants to take out some of this and then start to go up. We'll see. It might want to do that. Might have to redo some of these lines here. Already took the picture, so I'm just gonna leave that there because I might want to take a picture later. I mean, I might want to make a video later. Let me update some of this here. Put my magnet on. Hang on, I'll just leave this. I'll just draw a new line. It's gonna get real itchy here because I got all these lines on the screen now. We're really getting into the laser show effect here. Got all kinds of pink lines across there. It's looking crazy. I'll just delete it and redraw it if I need it. Okay, so there's our new downward. Let's go take a look at YM here. Oh yeah. YM coming down here. Wow, wow, wow. I kind of like the way YM moves, though. I'm not going to lie. Take a look at gold. Oh, man, look at gold. Oh, gold gave 2 great moves. Break out of here, buy. Start to break down here, sell. And look at that. Bang. Ah, dude. Missed it on gold. Missed gold. That's great. Great stuff. It gave you two options to enter. You could have entered on this one. Broke out of there, enter on this one, broke out of here, enter. Bang, coming down. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Maybe we put in a new trend line here on gold. Upward line right there. See if it's going to bounce off this line here or not. Just the 2 of us. Let's look at gold. Is it gonna keep on coming down? We'll check out the NQ over here, see what's going on. Oh yeah, looks like it wanted to take out this liquidity void, and now it might start coming back up right here. There's a liquidity void, wants to take that out before it runs all the way up. Let's see if I can predict the market. Am I a market maker? Am I a market maker? Do I predict the market? Just the two of us. How do you guys feel about the new Apex rules? How do you guys feel about the new Apex rules? You like them? You don't like them? Let me know. What are your views on the Apex rules? Make sure everything's out of here. Nope, it's not. See, I'm glad I looked. Need to flat. CL created a fair value gap on the 15-minute, currently rejecting the downtrend in area of liquidity. Yeah, I used to look at crude oil. I don't really trade it anymore. I like to only focus on a few pairs. We'll look at it, but I really only trade NQ and gold right now. We'll take a look at crude. $15-minute. Let's see. Right here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this is a good entry point for it. Kind of far down there, though. It's the only fair value gap I see, unless you were talking about this one. I left Gapex when they started asking me to film my trades. Yeah. I'm gonna delete crude. I don't like my charts to have too many. I don't know. Weird. I'm weird. $30-minute is more clear from yesterday. Yeah. Let us know how it goes, Isaac. I mean, I would trade crude, but when I start looking at too many instruments, I'm not smart enough, so it messes up. It messes with my head. I like to focus on two instruments is like max my brain can handle. Two instruments max for my brain. But yeah, let us know how crude does for real. I mean, I took a look at it. I don't know. Dang. Oh yeah, it's coming down on the 1 minute at least. Oh, are you talking about up here? Great entry for a short? Or are you talking about the inverse? Talking about inverse right here? Let me see. See, I used to look at crude. I had some lines drawn. Bang. Look at this downtrend. Broke out of it. Bang. Went up. Coming down now. Kind of retesting this downward trend line. Going up. I don't know. We'll see. Right now it looks to me like it's in an uptrend. But I wouldn't buy it right here. Feel like it need to come down. I mean, it could very easily just break out of this upward trend line and just dump. Because this is what it looks like a lot of time. Like, what is it called? A bear flag or something? Starts working its way up and then just dumps. Let's come over here now. Yeah, a lot of people. Oh, look at it. Had to come down and get this liquidity void. Now it looks like it's going to start going back up here. Breaking out of this downward, this newly downward trend that it made. See if it goes up now. Gold here bouncing off of this. Let's see. Gold might be a long up here. Just the two of us. There it goes. Looky there. We just would have held through a little bit of drawdown here. I don't care. I'm fine with my exit. I'm gonna stand by my exit because could have very easily kept coming down. And it did exactly what I said. Wanted to come down and take this liquidity void before going back up, and that's what it did. Bang. Could even honestly almost re-enter because it broke out of this downward trend line. I'm not going to, I'm just saying. Could come up a long way. But there it goes. Breaking out of this downward trend line, coming up to this downward trend line. Let's see what happens here. Kind of just broke some of this liquidity. I figured this would be the main one. See, it could come down, start retesting this downward trend, and then come back up. I don't know. Let's see if it breaks out of the steep line and see what it does. It looks like, yeah, it's starting to break out of the steep line. Let's see what it does here. Man, wouldn't really use any of this steep line as an entry, but it is nice to see it. Nice to see it. Probably going to come down, make some point over in here. Probably going to come make some point over in here like this right here. Kind of a line like that. Might make something like this though. Bang. Whatever though, we'll see. We'll see what it does. Let's just see what it does. Let's look at gold. What's it doing? Oh, it's getting tight here. It's gonna go one way or the other. These two lines are coming in, making it real nice and tight. Gold gonna go up or down? Oh, there it goes. Looks like it's gonna go up. Looks like gold's gonna go up, maybe. Maybe. Let me take a look at this on the 5-minute. Oh yeah, kind of looks good to go up here, not gonna lie. There it goes. Starting to fly upward here now. Is it gonna hit our profit target? Look at gold over here. Bang. Breaking out of this downward trend now. Starting to. It came back into it, retested this upward trend. Line of change. Retesting the line of change. Gold looks like it could be nice for some buys, maybe. Just the deuce. It is coming on up. Bang, look at the NQ. Would have hit our target perfectly. Right there and starting to come down now. Bang. Let me take a screenshot of this as well. Just for note-taking purposes. Rejecting off of this downward trend line. Make it a re-entry. It'll come down and kind of give us a point. I might just keep on going though. Check out the YM right here on the 5-minute. What's going on with it? Check out gold here. Yeah, look at gold. Look at gold. Should have entered along. Should have entered right here. Bang. We can make it if we try. All right, I'm gonna go make some coffee. Come back and see. MNQ looking like the cleanest area to go in long as of right now. Yeah. It's looking nice for a long. It's just kind of high up here for me. I'd like to see some kind of pullback. You see, it kind of looks like starting a new upward trend like this right here, maybe. maybe come back down over into here. But that's just wishful thinking. That's just wishful thinking right there. Might just go up from here though. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some coffee. Be right back. Yeah, the MNQ, yeah. It's right here, but all right, I'll be right back. Gonna go grab a cup of Joe. Be right back. What's up? We're back. We're back. All right, all right. See if we can get some kind of entry. See if we can get some kind of entry here. If I wasn't bullish, this would probably be a good entry. If I was not bullish, but I'm kind of bullish, so If I wasn't bullish, this would be a good entry for a short. Bouncing off of this longer term downward trend line, just broke out of this steeper upward trend line to come down. But I'm kind of bullish for some reason, so I don't know. That would be a good entry, but I don't know. For some reason, I'm bullish. Even though with my template, you're not supposed to be, you're just supposed to be flowing with the market. But for some reason, oh man, look at this. That would have been a great entry. Why didn't I take it? Why did I not take that? Someone please tell me. Take a look at the YM starting to come down here. GC. Gold coming up on Goldilocks here. Let's put a new trend line here. Bada bing, bada bang. New line of change right there. Line of change right there. I need to start looking at these from the 5-minute perspective. Make life a whole lot easier. But I like the quick trades in and out of there. But the 5-minute is a great option. I do like trading on the 5-minute. It's nice and peaceful. Trading on the 5-minute is peaceful. Looky here. Looky here. It's starting to come back down. It's at our exit here. We could actually almost get a re-entry on a buy. Uh-oh. Is this 5-minute going to inverse this fair value gap here? All right, looky there, starting to kind of bounce off of here. Good morning, Claudine. How's it going? How's it going? We're gonna come down a little bit disappointed, but I am okay. It's a new week, so we'll see. You talking about your payout, Apex payout? I got a 9. I saw where you were saying that. Looks like we might be coming down here. NQ coming down. Look at this though. If I would have held this trade, it would have perfectly hit my take profit and then start to reverse. And then based on my template, this would have been a gray short, but I did not take it. Based on my template. But I did not take it, so. Didn't take it. Let's see. We got this upward trend line here. Let's see what happens. Because when it starts to get in here, it's gonna get in this little area right here, and then it's gonna have to decide if it wants to go up or down. So let's just wait on that. Gold coming up, retesting this upward trend line, the bottom of it. This upward line of change. retesting this upward line of change on gold here. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen to Goldilocks. Starting to break back. Starting to break back up on Goldilocks. Oh yeah, here we come. See what happens here. Key level right here. Thing is, I would like to know what I did wrong to avoid it the next time. Yeah, they should have sent you like an email or something telling you what you did wrong. They didn't send you an email? I've never got denied, so I don't know. I kind of stopped trading with Apex before all that stuff started happening. Oh, coming down. Broke through this upward trend, this upward line of change. Could start to come down now to this 419 area, 418 area, maybe. Didn't close below there, but it did wick down below there. Wick down below that line of change. Wicked down below that line of change. Oh, my phone is about to die. My phone is about to die. Did you ever, on a trade, did you ever like, I know they have like a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio or something, 1-to-4 or something like that. So maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Kind of stinks. It really stinks, I know. If you made the money, you should be able to withdraw it. I don't know. The only reason I have one Apex account right now is because I let an eval rebuild. So I might as well trade it, and I passed the rebuild. And so now I have an Apex account that I'm trading, but if I wouldn't have let it rebuild, I wouldn't be trading with Apex right now. I mean, best eval firm right now, in my opinion, is probably my fund of futures. Other than that, dude, I like Tradeify at the moment. It's really nice. A little more pricey, but I mean, you don't have to worry about passing an eval or anything. You just go straight into funding. But yeah, hopefully Apex figures it out. You know, a lot of people are mad right now. I would just say just keep on trading, you know. Nice, Isaac. Yeah, are you on live accounts? Yeah, Claudine, I would just keep on trading, keep on making your money. You know, I wouldn't change things up and start losing. That's for sure. I would just keep on making money. Yeah, I understand that. Wow, I'm kind of mad about this gold trade. I could have entered right here. Bang. Been done for the day if I would have entered right there. Right here. That's what I am doing. YM kind of just chopping it around here. Let's draw out this new trend line on the YM. Yeah, I don't know. Scalping for 10 ticks can be that might be what got you because It's like a 4-to-1. So if you ever had a trade that went like 41 ticks against you, then that might be the reason why. But I'm not saying you did that. I'm just saying, whoa. Whoa, man, look at this. This is exactly what I called earlier, dude. God, I'm so mad. I literally said when I said if it starts coming down here, retesting this upward trend line, look for a man. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. The 5 minute is just so much more peaceful. Like, I want to start trading on the 5 minute. But you get less trades, so I don't know. I'm always going back and forth about what time frame. It doesn't matter which time frame you trade on, really. It's just the higher time frames just take longer, more peaceful. Bingo. Look at it. Look at it. Isaac says so much opportunity to make money in the markets right now. Yes, sir. Opportunities to make money in the market every single day. Let's go. Nice, Isaac. Heck yeah. Yeah, the market is just amazing because some people could say, "Hey, there's no opportunities for me right here," and then other people, it could be like, "Oh my, there's so many opportunities. I make money going down, up, down, up." It's just depends on like what strategy you have, and that's what's awesome about the market. Anybody can make money in it. There's all kinds of different strategies to use, and there's money to be made for everybody, you know? Longs and shorts could have made money here. You can make it, the longs could have made money right here, right here, and right here. The shorts could have made money right there, right there. And the longer term shorts been making money all night. Bang. Some of the longs starting to make a little bit of money. Let's just, you know, all kind of money to be made. It's just about your entries. Let me see. Let me see. Let's put this here. I think that might just be a nice line. That looks very nice, kind of parallel to this line here. We got, oh man, this is a nice looking chart on gold. We got like parallel lines going up, parallel lines going down. Let's see what happens here. It's gonna start. Oh, look at that. Nice little chart on gold here. It's looking very nice. Cannot lie. You're no more trading with FTT? No, I don't have any accounts with FTT right now. I'm trading with Tradeify and I have a profit trade account, but I'm not really advertising the profit trade account. I have a profit trade, but I haven't taken them. I just started trading with them, so if I make it to payout on this account and I get paid out, then I'll start, endorsing them, I guess. I don't know. But right now I'm just kind of testing it out for myself. But Tradeify, I did get paid out with them. Loved it. Got paid out in 13 minutes. So can't complain about that. And then I have one Apex account, but people have mixed feelings about Apex right now. But Tradeify, I love them right now. They're awesome. Tradeify is like the new fast track, in my opinion. Tradeify is like the new fast track. They're not too popular right now, so they're on point with everything. Support on point, payouts on point, easy rules. They're the new fast track at the moment until people start finding out about them. It's like fast track. I got in early, so I got to reap the benefits, and now Tradeify, I got in early, so I get to reap the benefits. But then when they start getting popular, then you get in trouble. Gold making all of us money right now. Heck yeah, gold. Gold is looking nice here. Let's see what happens. It's starting to come in, tighten up right here. See which way it's gonna go. Let's see which way it's gonna go. If you're an ICT trader, I guess you kind of had a inverse right here. Retested it. May start to come down right here. Maybe targets down here. Who knows? Another fair value gap right here though, so it could start to reject off there. Let's see. MQ breaking out here. Gold kind of breaking out of here. Gold breaking out of there. Breaking out, kind of retesting it now, starting to come down. Crude oil. Isaac says crude oil breaking downward trend. Potential longs if we break and retest the trend line on a 30-minute time frame. Let's go. Let's go. See what happens right here. Looks like we might just be coming down. Oh, looky here. NQ just kind of ranging around at the moment. Let's look at, oh yeah, 5-minute. Really see the range happening here. Just back and forth. Let's see the sessions. It's a hard time breaking out of this 15-minute range here. I got an indicator for the 15-minute range. Just looks like it's having a hard time just breaking out and going on this 15-minute range. I just kind of turn that on every now and then to see what's happening, see where we're at on the sessions. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look, Goldilocks here. It's also just kind of ranging around, so see what happens. Maybe we come up, break these highs. Come up, break these highs, start looking for some shorts, maybe, I don't know. Breaking up here though on gold, breaking up. Gold. if it breaks up through here, we can adjust our line of change, move this here, have a new line of change. Let that play out. NQ just ranging around here. At least we made a little bit of money here. Could have made the full thing, but we would have had to hold through some drawdown here. Would have been getting kind of hairy and scary if we held it. If we held this, it came all the way up here and then came all the way back down. It'd been real hairy and scary to hold it back up here for a few more. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Might start coming down now. Look at it. I say we could probably just go ahead and delete this line here probably. I say we can probably go ahead and delete that line. Oh yeah, it bounced perfectly off of this longer term. Bang bang, may come down here to 418 now, maybe, possibly. Possibly. The Shiny Paladin. You trade the New York session? Yes, I do. I do trade the New York session. Not on stream, though. There's so many streamers trading the New York session. You know, I'm not popular enough yet, so I just kind of sit out and trade that personal, kind of relax. I get my stream trades on here, and then I like to be done, you know, enter in London, but now I have a few accounts, so I try to get most my main accounts done during London session and then trade like the leftovers on New York. Oh yeah, looks like we might be just rolling over here. Looks like we may just start to come down here. I'd say probably. I'd say we might start coming down here. If it was me, I'd say that's what I would say. Templates starting to say look for sales. Oh yeah, go. Time to readjust this line here. Time to readjust this line of change. Something like that right there. Put that line right there just so I know. Then when you sleep, I sleep when I can, you know. I don't get much sleep. I don't know. I don't get much sleep, but tomorrow I don't have to work, so I can sleep after I get done with New York session, I can sleep. So that's always good. I don't know. I sleep until London session. Then when I get done with London session, I take a quick little nap till New York session. And then if I finish with New York session early, I take a nap until I have to go to work. And that's just what I do every day. Then I get off work, I go to the gym, come home, go to sleep, do it all again the next day. And I wouldn't have it any other way. I love it, man. Trading's so much fun. Trading's like a freaking video game. And I wanna win. I wanna win the video game. Let me check out my profits on the day. 144, 432, 432. 145 over here, getting closer to that payout level on profit trade account. I'm at payout levels on these accounts. I just have to reach consistency now. Before today, I was at 40%. I got to get that down to 20. Then I can request another payout with Tradeify. So that's why I'm looking for perfect trades, because on these Tradeify accounts, I don't want to lose any money. I'm at the consistency, so I just want to slowly make money, look for awesome setups. Want to look for awesome setups. And then I don't want stuff coming back in my face. Like I was saying the other day on stream, when it comes up this far, you don't really want it to come back in your face. See, so I let it come up, I let it come back down a little bit. And then when it started to come back up here again, I didn't want it to come back in my face. So I just put a stop down here. You don't want it to come back in your face twice. So that's why I put my stop here and it looked like it was good. Because then I would have been in drawdown and eventually would have hit my target. But I mean, it's not worth it, man. The stress. Not worth the stress. So we just look for another trade. Is gold gonna come hit this yellow line up here so we can start looking for a short maybe? Gold coming up to all-time highs though. Hard to short all-time highs. Fatality. Dude, I used to love Mortal Kombat. Fatality. No, I don't scream that, but I probably should. Get over here. I used to love, wasn't that Scorpion? Jake says, yo, I'm kind of like new to futures trading. I've really been teaching myself about supply and demands, but my entries are just awful. Any tips on what I should focus on more or try to educate myself on? If I were you, I would look up trading template on YouTube. Look up trading template on YouTube. I've been using his kind of strategy. And I've been liking it. It's helping me get good entries. It helped me get this entry right here. It helped me get that entry right there. And you already know about supply and demand zones. Let me see where it was. I think it was something like, I don't know. I don't know where it was, but yeah. It helped me get this entry, and it was pretty money, honestly. I had this bang. I entered right here. Bang. Came up. I mean, it didn't hit full target, but I knew to get out, and I got out. Bang. It would have eventually, if you held, would have came up. But yeah, look up Trading Template on YouTube. He's a good guy. Good guy. Teach you about entries and stuff. But yeah, you'll get there, Jake, too. I mean, the longer you watch these candles, you'll start to know when to enter and exit. What a good entry, what's, you know, yeah, I actually took his course, but basically just look up him, and Tori Trades is his niece, so she teaches a lot of the same thing he does. So look up Tori Trades. It's basically these trend lines. He calls them lines of change to kind of help with psychology. But yeah, look up Tori Trades. It's basically about look up Trading Template and Tori Trades. I mean, a lot of people hate on trend lines, but I like them. So no, I wouldn't even do that. I mean, the more videos you watch, you just kind of, I would say just watch Trading Template and Tori Trades and don't watch any other videos, because then you start messing with your head. And then after that, just start watching the chart, man. Start watching the chart, practicing your entries, and then the longer you do that, the better you'll get. Just, I mean, dude, it sounds crazy, but just practice your entries, and the longer you practice, I'm telling you, you'll start to know, you start to kind of know what good entries and exits are. It's crazy how it works. I mean, videos will kind of help you when you're starting out, but once you kind of know, you just have to trade, man. You have to trade, and you'll start to understand. Isaac says, look up Vincent Deciano. I've never seen any videos from him. Yeah, I mean, Jake, probably to help with that, just when you get to a real account, probably size way down at the start. It's gonna kind of stink, you know, when you win, you're gonna be like, dang, I should have sized up more. But I'd say just start small to where it doesn't affect you mentally. And then when you start winning on that for like a week or something, size up a little bit and just kind of work your way up until it doesn't really affect you, you know? Just size all the way down until it doesn't even, your wins and losses don't affect you at all. And then just slowly size up. Because you shouldn't be like stressing. You shouldn't be stressing or getting too excited. I know a lot of these streamers and stuff, I do it too sometimes, like kind of put on a show. Like when I win, sometimes I try to act really excited, but it's really just a part of the game. It's just like, oh, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. You really shouldn't get too up or down about it. You really should just kind of say even keel. If you take a loss, it's just a part of it. Take a win, it's a part of it. But I mean, a lot of these traders just put on a show just for the views. And I catch myself doing that too sometimes, but I don't know. But you really shouldn't get too up or down about wins or losses. It's just a part of it, you know, just trading. Oh, look at it. It came up, hit the line. Might be, oh man, I'm in a little predicament here. I might start looking for shorts on gold. Also, when you are trading, are you watching TradingView chart? Yeah, I chart on TradingView. I just execute on Tradeify. Only execute on Tradeify. I don't look at the charts on there or anything. All right. Let's see on gold here. Maybe it comes up a little bit higher and then we start looking for some shorts maybe. But it's at all-time highs. All-time highs are hard to short. NQ just unplugged over here. Open TD account to watch several charts at once. Literally changed my life and trading career. Yep, that could help too. Yeah, but I do all my charting on TradingView. All my charting, so that way I can look at it from my phone too. So syncs up with my phone. All my lines and stuff are already on my phone. Just so I can watch it. And then yeah, I just execute on Tradeify. And over here I got one account with profit trade, so whenever I see an entry, I just come over here, hit the button, bang, bang, whatever, and then bang over here too, and then I come back over here and watch it. Delete that line. Update this one. Look at the Y here, right here. Go ahead and delete that line. No, Jake, it doesn't. It doesn't bother me. It gives me something to talk about. No, it doesn't bother me. It actually gives me something to talk about on stream. Otherwise, I'd just be sitting here quiet, rambling on about nothing. So, no, of course not, brother. Of course not. Plus, if I can give you some information to help you out, of course I'd want to do that because I'm, I was in the same boat, dude. I'm over here asking everybody to help me out. I used to be. Yeah, they're called trend lines, but these are basically called trend lines, but the guy I was talking about trading template, he calls them lines of change just to kind of change his psychology. He's all about psychology, so he likes to change it, what everything's called. Yeah, but these are trend lines. He calls them lines of change. But yeah, they basically just follow the trend. And then if you notice a lot of times, like, let me give you like an example here. So like here, from here to here was a trend. See, it was trending up. And then it gets up this, see, they got a long term. You can draw them on different time frames too. So I got a longer term trend line coming down here. And then this is how I like to use it a lot of the time. So then on this 1 minute, we started trending up. Started rejecting off of this longer term trend line. Then when you break below this shorter term upward trend line, enter a sell. Bang. And you could have held that all the way down to this trend line here. Which that wasn't there. I drew that after that printed there. But basically, you basically hold that. You basically hold this trade until you hit a key area, or you could have held it until this new trend. You draw a new trend. And you could have held it until the new trend broke. So you would have been out right here. Bang. Because you see it started to break out on this candle. So as soon as it started to break out, you could have exited. And then you would have made from here all the way down to here. Pretty much caught that whole move. And then, or if you missed that one, you could have entered right here to go up to this downward trend line, just stuff like that. But he teaches all that trading template. But right now we're kind of just shopping it around. Yeah, I trade more off of them breaking out. I trade more on them breaking out of the trend lines. But like I say, I don't take every trade either, because like here was basic here, if you're just going off of, it's all about charting. So you just gotta get behind the charts and know. So like basically you could have kind of entered a short here, and it might play out because it broke out of here and it's just kind of riding along the bottom of it, and then it might start to come down here. But I'm very specific on the ones I take. So this would be kind of a longer term play here. So maybe like a 5-minute play for it to come down maybe. But I take more of like these style. I take more of these style where I wait on it. I wait on it to start grinding back up or down toward a longer term. And then kind of once it starts to reject off of that or bounce off of the upward, then I'll start looking to go with the trend. Stuff like that. Gold grinding up this upward trend line here. See, like even on this one, like this is something I would have played right here if I can show you real fast. Like, so and then once you also get a trend like this, I'm gonna change this to green just so we can see what I'm drawing better. Once you get a trend like this going, and then it starts to get even steeper, you can draw it even steeper. So like this. So now you have a fan effect, you kind of got a fan effect. So then bang, when it got up here to this longer term trend line, you could have entered a sell. And then let's see, you might have not made money on this one, but so then you would have, oh dang. So then bang, right in here, exit, stuff like that. But yeah, I hear NQ looks like it's, oh, might be a sell opportunity on gold. But I think NQ's coming up here. Comes up, goes right back down. Isaac says he got in sales at gold on 27.48. He got it at the very top. Do you trade setting stop loss and take profit? And do you recommend that more than just exiting manually? No, I usually don't set stops and take profit because, like I said, I kind of let the trend determine when I exit. Kind of let the trend determine when I exit. So like on this one I was showing you, you drew that out. So like if you drew this out right here and you entered a sell right here. So like if I entered a sell right here, basically my stop would have been starting to break above here because this is the downward trend. So if I entered a sell here and it started to break above and close below, break above here and close above it, I would have been looking to exit. I would have been looking to exit on that. And then my take profit, like I said, would have been when it started to break out of this trend. It's kind of hard at first. You kind of got to wait on it to kind of pull back and form a trend. But then when it started to make this trend, then you would wait on it to start to break it. So then it started to break this downward trend right here. So then I would have exited right there. Basically like that. And like on this one, I entered here, entered there on this little pullback, and then kind of started to break out of the trend right here, but I was hoping it was going to form like a longer term trend, something like this. I was hoping it formed some kind of longer term trend, but then as it came down, got close to my entry point again, came back up, I was like, oh, okay, I don't want it to come back to my entry again, so I set my stop right there, and that's how I basically exited this trade. But yeah. All right, looks like I may just have to come back during the New York and try to finish it up here, because I'm not really seeing anything worth taking. Seeing basically on this, you could have entered here, and if it starts to break above here, then you'll exit. But gold is also at all-time highs right now. It's all-time highs, and the longer you're around charts, you'll know it's hard to short all-time highs, because all-time highs usually just keeps on going up. Yeah, NQ's looking like a barcode. But the more you're around, you know that like all-time highs is like, you don't really short all-time highs, because it's tough, because it just wants to keep going up for some reason. So hard to short all-time highs. So I just kind of watch it when it's around all-time highs, see what happens. Let's just test, see if it's gonna break up and keep going. NQ just kind of twerking up this line right here. It's twerking around this line. It looks like it may just start coming up, and I don't know. In my opinion, it might just fall off, but that's not enough for me to take a trade. So could also go up very easily. But yeah, I'm about to, at 5 o'clock a.m. I go walk with my mom. So I think I'm gonna get off and get ready to go walk with her. So yeah, hope everybody enjoyed the stream. I know we only took one trade early in the stream, but there was also I could have taken more. There was definitely areas where I look back on now and I feel like I could have taken more trades, but at the time I didn't feel like it was a good enough entry for me, so I didn't take them. So that's that. Took one trade, got a win, small win, but a win's a win. So far on the day, up 145, 433 on 2 accounts, and then on this account I'm up 145. So hey, a win, you know, being up, protecting the capital, that's the name of the game. So yeah, hope everybody enjoyed the stream. If you're gonna pick up some accounts, make sure you use my code. I'd appreciate it very much. Helps out a lot. And yeah, join the Discord down below. We'd like to hang out in there when I'm off the stream, and just kind of. No, I'm not gonna. I might live stream at 9:30. I don't know. We'll see. I might live stream. Join the Discord, and Jake, join the Discord down below, and I might live stream at 9:30. Actually, I don't work today, so yeah, I'll probably get back on and live stream at 9:30. But yeah. All right. I'll see ya. See y'all later. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always nimble. Go gangster, making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster, touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster, touching high. Nasdaq flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster, making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster, touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster, draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock.